This connected dots drawing video is a black candle for Halloween. Get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below to follow with me, grab your art supplies, and let's draw and color together. So number 1 is here, and we're going to do uneven lines all the way to number 7. Now from 7, we're going to connect all the way to 9 in almost a straight line. From 9, we're going to be doing a lot of snaking around all the way to number 30. Now from 30, a bump out here to 31, and then keep on snaking to 36. Now 36, a bump out to 38, and snaking all the way back to number 1. So we're going to do a candle wax strip right at number 7. So just inside of 7, curve downward. And remember, you don't have to be even. And then a big blob right there. And keep snaking up and curve out something like this. Now we're going to do another drip over here. So right at 30, you're going to keep on going around like this to make another blob and snake up, and just a little one, so stopping around 33. And we're going to do another one here at 36, curving around and coming back up, and we're going to stop about there. And I'm going to make another one right in the middle here. We're going to come down to someplace over here. So right up here, curving. And remember, you'd want to be uneven. You don't want it to be smooth. And there's your blob. Now we're going to do another line at the top of our candle. So somewhere in line with 48, you're going to come down here and do uneven lines all the way up. Like this. Now just at number 1, we're going to come up straight with our wick. And now we're going to draw the flame. So right around 35 and 34, I'm going to draw arcs. If you like the candle the way it is, we can go straight to coloring, but if you want, we're going to draw some eyes right here. And I always like to draw eyebrows on my characters. There we go, one eye. And we're going to do the same thing right over here. And now, of course, draw a sad mouth and a chin. And it's time for coloring. I'm making my candle black because it's dark and mysterious and Halloweeny, but you can do it any color that you like. And if you didn't already know, candles have been around for centuries. They used to actually be made from animal fat. Because of movies and pop culture, people often view black candles as evil, but that's not true. Black candles are often used to absorb negative energy. Since fire purifies, you will light the candle and the flame will transform the negative energy into positive and beneficial energy. You may not know it, but every time you light a candle, you might be doing it wrong. The first time you light your candle, you have to let it burn long enough. What does that mean? The whole top layer of the wax has to become liquid, and it takes several hours depending on the size of your candle. And if you don't do this, then your candle will never burn evenly. Who knew? But from our candle's perspective, he doesn't want to be burned at all. Just look at his expression on the dripping wax. If you love Halloween drawing videos, try drawing this one on your screen next, and I'll see you there.